At school. At college. At times. By accident. By day. By heart. By mail. By email. By night. By phone. By post. For information. For pleasure. For relaxation. From east to west. From left to right. From morning till night. From town to town. From time to time. In trouble. In love. In town. On business. On fire. On holiday. On sale. Be in bed. Be in hospital. Be in prison. Be sent to prison. Bear in mind. Have breakfast, lunch, dinner, supper. Have great fun. Have toothache. Go by plane. Go by water, air, sea, land. Go to sea. Go home. Go to school. Go to church. Go to bed. Go shopping. Go sightseeing. Go to town. Keep house. Leave school, hometown. Make use of. Make friends. Play chess, football. Speak English, the English language. Study mathematics, history, the history of art. Watch television.